Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Nissan Liberty. It has 54,701 original miles. It is powered by the reliable SR20DE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and 1 rear hatch. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see. It says 88,033. There we go. That is the kilometers again. The miles on this vehicle is 54,071. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles in the USA, you are in the right place. You drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.